Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the question that is called as the what here? The classification of monosaccharides. So the classification of monosaccharide on the basis of what here? The hydrolysis. So first called as the aldoses and second is called as ketoses. So the monosaccharide which have two one unit is called as the aldoses, ketoses. What is aldoses here? What is aldoses? So it contain aldehyde, as functional group called as aldoses. So those monosaccharide which contain a aldehyde functional group as the FG means functional group called as what here? Aldoses. What is ketose? It contain what here? It contain ketone as functional group. So it is called as ketoses. So the question is, what is monosaccharide? So it is a carbohydrate, does not hydrolysis. It does not give the unit called as a monosaccharide. It has two types, aldoses, ketoses. So depend upon the functional group. So the monosaccharide are divided into two categories, aldoses, ketoses. Those monosaccharide which contain aldehyde as a functional group called as what here? Aldoses. And those monosaccharide which contain a ketone, what here? Ketone as a functional group called as what here? Ketoses. Now question is as how to write the IUPAC name of nomenclature of what here? How to write the IUPAC nomenclature of monosaccharides. Monosaccharides. क्वेश्चन समझ में बेटा आपको क्वेश्चन क्या है बेटा? हाउ टू राइट द IUPAC nomenclature of monosaccharide. So if we write the IUPAC name of the monosaccharide, first we tell us that this monosaccharide are belongs to which functional group? If the aldehyde, so we take the last word OSE, aldoses. If the ketone, we take the last word ketoses. It means this SES are suffix same, only change the word here name. Aldehyde contain ALD functional group CHO, ketone contain what here? CO group. This CO functional group called as the ketone, where the C double bond OH called as the what here? The aldehyde. Clear? So on the basis of which group present in the given monosaccharide, we write the IUPAC name. For example here, so we take the 3 column name monosaccharide example here. ठीक है बेटा? First here triose. It means a carbohydrate or monosaccharide which contain a tri means 3 carbon. What here? Tri means 3 carbon, and the OS is right as what? The functional group is there. So it may be ketone or what? Ketone or aldehyde. So we take the example here, formula C3H6O3. So it contains 3 carbon. We take the word tri. What? Triose. Ose is also suffix of aldehyde as well as ketone. So we take example here, aldotriose. What here? ALD called as what here? The functional group aldehyde. Tri means the 3 carbon. OS is the suffix. So what we take? Aldotriose or ketotriose. It means this compound contain aldehyde group, CHO as well as the CO group. So we take the aldotriose and ketoses. Example, glyceraldehyde, dihydroxyacetone. Example of the what here? The aldehyde group, what? Glyceraldehyde. And the acetone, what here? Ketone, dihydroxyacetone. Tetrose, it contains the 4 carbon. It also have the functional group aldehyde as well as ketone. So aldotetrose. Tetrose means what here? We take the first name of the group and after we take the number of the carbon. So tetrose. So aldotetrose. ठीक है? Clear? Aldotetrose. Here contain what here? Ketotetrose. what is keto tetrose, example glucose, sorry, erythrose is the example of aldoterose and the threose is the example of keto tetrose. Clear है? Next here hexose. Hexose means it contains 6 carbon atom, so we take the formula C6H12O6. Depend upon the functional group. Hexose, it may be two types, glucose, fructose. So here we take the word aldohexose and ketohexose. Clear? So what is aldohexose? So the aldohexose means a compound which contains 6 carbon and contain a functional group CHO called as aldohexose. Example glucose, galactose, mannose. All three is the example of the what here? The example of the aldohexose. Why? Because this glucose, fructose, mannose contain a aldehyde as a functional group. So it is called as what here? The example of the aldohexose. Next here ketohexose means it contains 6 carbon as well as ketone group. Example fructose, leonose. Fructose, leolose is the example of what here? The ketohexose. So if you write the IUPAC name of the any monosaccharide, first we take the word, first we name the name of the functional group, second number of the carbon which present in the given monosaccharide. देखो यहाँ पर ट्रायोस इसका नेम लिखा हमने, ठीक है, लेकिन उसके अंदर जो फंक्शनल ग्रुप इसकी है ट्राई मतलब 3 कार्बन OS कॉल्ड एज द सफिक्स ऑफ द फिर राइट द नेम ऑफ द वाट अल्डोजेस और कीटोजेस दोनों के लिए कॉमन है, तो ट्रायोस लिए यहाँ पर, ठीक है. इट मीन्स फर्स्ट वी राइट द नेम व्हाट हियर हाउ मेनी कार्बन एंड आफ्टर वी टेक द सफिक्स SCS depend upon the group. So SCS both contain aldehyde and ketone means aldoses or ketoses. So triose it contains 3 carbon, so we take the word aldo triose, keto triose. Tetrose it contains 4 carbon and suffix we take the word Se both in aldehyde and ketone. What here tetrose, aldotetrose and ketotetrose. Example hexose it contains 6 carbon and both contain aldehyde and ketone. So if the aldehyde called as aldohexose, if the ketone called as the ketohexose. And what is example? So depend upon the name of the what the given compound, or depend upon the what the name of the what the compound on the basis of the how many carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon, 5 carbon, 6 carbon. If you take the example of the pentose, example number we take the first word here, first, second and third. Now we take the example number 4th. So same here, name, what is name? Monosaccharides, name monosaccharide, and what we take here last? Example. So if you take the example number what here? The 4th, what? Pentose, what here? Pentose, yeah, pentose is what here? Pentose is. So how many carbon? It contains 4 carbon. If you write the IUPAC name, what we take here? Pen. So it contains aldehyde group. What here? Aldopentose. Aldopentose is. ठीक है बेटा. What is aldopentose is? Okay. An example. Next here, it may be pentoses or what here? Ketopentoses. So depend upon the carbon, we take the what? First name aldehyde, last we take the how many carbon and we take the last word suffix here. Clear? Okay, depend on the function group we take the name here. ठीक है. तो अगर आप ग्लूकोज है बेटा तो ग्लूकोज का कैसा नाम लिखेंगे? ग्लूकोज का IUPAC नेम क्या लिखेंगे? What? So we take the IUPAC name what here? Hexose, 6 carbon and OSC. Glucose it contain maybe aldehyde group or ketone group. So we take the what here? Formula. Okay. So if you write the IUPAC name of the any monosaccharide, first we name the how many carbon, second we take suffix, both suffix contain aldehyde group, SCS and ketone group means aldoses and ketoses. If you write the IUPAC name of the what here? Aldehyde containing functional group, so we take the word what? Aldoses. If you write the IUPAC name of the compound containing ketone group, we take the word what? Ketoses, and depend upon the carbon. 2 carbon called what here? Diose, 3 carbon called aldotetrose, 4 carbon called what here? Aldohexose. What here? 4th carbon called tetrose, 5 pentose and 6 hexose. So depend upon the functional group and number of carbon, we write the IUPAC name of the any monosaccharide. So we take the question, what is the monosaccharide? Classification of monosaccharide on the basis of functional group. Aldose is aldehyde containing, ketose is ketone containing. इस तरीके से बेटा ये पोर्शन हमारा लिया. उसके बाद का क्वेश्चन आएगा प्रिपरेशन ऑफ द ग्लूकोज. इसको हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में देखेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.